Hi guys, this is Alex at BlackboxMyCar. What to look for in a dashcam? Good video quality is the most basic feature after all. What good is a dashcam if you can't see details in the footage? Although many dashcams are 1080p, it's the software and hardware that represent better video quality. Look for a dashcam that is at least 8 megabits per second in bitrate and with the video sensor that's at least 1.8 megapixel. Check out the BlackVue DR900S series, which has a 4K resolution, 25 megabits per second, and an 8 megapixel video sensor for the best video quality dashcam. Parking mode recording is found from the mid-tier to higher-end dashcams, but there are only a few models that offer buffer recording with motion and impact detection. Only the best dashcams offer this very important feature, which allows the dashcam to record even when the vehicle is off, and recording is triggered by motion when someone walks by and impact when the vehicle is hit. The buffering also captures the previous 5 to 10 seconds of the footage that lead up to whatever triggered the recording, so the entire event is saved. Check out the Thinkware F800 PRO, which has these features, as well as excellent memory partitioning for the best parking mode recording dashcam. As dashcams are in the vehicle all year round, it's important to avoid ones that are battery powered. Batteries can expand and even explode under high heat. The best dashcams use capacitors instead, which handle temperature extremes much more efficiently without issue. You'll be happy to know that BlackboxMyCar only carries dashcams that have capacitors. Best overall dashcam. The best dashcams for 2019 are the BlackVue DR900S series and Thinkware F800 PRO. The BlackVue DR900S series represents the first 4K dashcam to enter the market, while the Thinkware F800 PRO represents the best parking mode recording dashcam in the market. These dual cameras also have smartphone Wi-Fi integration, a high SD card capacity, and built-in G sensors. Best front and rear dashcams. Front-only dashcam setups offer a lot of protection by itself, and it's common to assume that this would be enough to capture all kinds of incidents. For example, if your vehicle gets rear-ended, the front dashcam should be able to detect the impact and launch forward motion of the vehicle. However, front-only dashcams do not offer enough protection against rear-specific hit and runs, and numerous incidences where, simply put, the front camera does not show what actually happened. We even have a specific article about this topic, see description below. What's more, the cost of editing on a rear camera is only a small increase to the overall price if you're already purchasing a high-end dashcam model. Our recommendations for the best front and rear dashcams would be the IROAD X9, BlackVue DR900S-2CH, and Thinkware F800 PRO. We especially like the F800 PRO as the rear camera can be added on at any time in the future, unlike the X9 and DR900S-2CH. Enabling parking mode has been simplified with the introduction of the OBD hardwire kits from IROAD and BlackVue. It will be as easy as plugging the OBD hardwire kit to your vehicle's OBD port to power your dashcam. For this reason, we highly recommend IROAD X9, BlackVue DR900S-2CH, and Thinkware F800 PRO. Things to know. All dual-channel dashcams connect via a cable that runs from the front to the rear. There are no specific requirements to mount a rear-facing dashcam. Even convertibles can have a rear camera added. Check out our article in description below. Best dashcams for rideshare drivers. Ride-sharing, such as Uber and Lyft, is as popular as ever, and it's so important for these drivers to have video footage protection in their vehicles. Taxi companies understand this concept, which is why so many taxi cabs have interior-facing dashcams installed for both legal and safety reasons. The recommended dashcam setup here would be an interior-facing camera with an infrared technology, as infrared lights offer night vision and provide recording ability even until total darkness. This feature is especially useful for the often dim and poorly lit conditions of the vehicle interior, so that everything can be documented. Check out our article again in the description below to see our infrared cameras in action and why they are so useful. Our recommendations for the best budget and high-end infrared dashcam setups would be the Thinkware FA200 IRC and the BlackVue DR750S-2CH IR. Things to know. Interior-facing camera will record in shades of black and white under darkness, and record in shades of purple-pink under sunlight due to the infrared lights. All details, however, will still be recorded without issue. Best dashcams for truckers and fleets. Whether you are a fleet manager for a transport company or simply a driver of a large truck, dashcams offer a lot of protection for your vehicle, cargo, and company. This is especially true for large trucks where the rear is impossible to see through a rear view mirror, so that footage can offer protection on anything that happens in the back of the vehicle. What's more, a dashcam can also prevent fraud, monitor the location of a vehicle via remote GPS, and improve driving habits. All of these lead to better bottom numbers as well as improved efficiency and safety for everyone involved. Check out this clip of our customer who saved thousands of dollars due to this dashcam footage. Also, check out another article in the description below which goes into even more detail about the benefits of a dashcam for commercial vehicles. BlackVue DR750S-2CH IR truck. A recommended dashcam for truckers would be the BlackVue DR750S-2CH IR truck, which has an externally mounted rear camera which will be applicable for all trucks. The rear camera is weatherproof and has infrared lights so that protection during day and nighttime will be fully in effect. Things to know. The externally mounted rear camera is completely weatherproof at IP67 rating, cloud capable, allowing for remote footage access and GPS tracking. The external rear facing camera will record in shades of black and white under darkness and record in shades of purple and pink under sunlight. Due to the infrared lights, all details will still be recorded without issue. Best budget-friendly dashcams. Dashcams come in all shapes, forms, and price points. Although premium features such as parking mode recording with buffer and motion impact detection, cloud access, and smartphone Wi-Fi integration are typically only found in more expensive dashcams, more basic and budget-friendly dashcams do exist and can be great at what they do. This was a top focus for Thinkware, who invested a lot of research and development funds into creating the Thinkware FA200 and Thinkware FA200 IRC. These units offer great video quality, recording at Full HD for the front and HD for the rear. Parking mode recording with buffer and motion and impact detection, as well as smartphone Wi-Fi integration. You can also purchase just the front camera by itself and add the optional rear camera at any time in the future. The FA200 IRC version even has infrared lights on its rear camera, which is perfect for recording the vehicle's interior. Things to know. Despite their lower price point, the Thinkware FA200 and FA200 IRC feature many premium functions and are a great way to enter the dashcam market. The FA200 IRC option with infrared is excellent for vehicles' interior recording purposes. The rear camera can be added on at any time. Best accessories for powering dashcam. There are 4 different ways a dashcam can be powered. All methods except the 12-volt power adapter will enable parking recording. As most of our dashcams do offer parking recording, it is highly recommended to take advantage of this feature to protect your vehicle while parked. Acceptable 12-volt power adapter. 12-volt power adapters provide power to your dashcam through the cigarette socket within your vehicle. Over the years, the 12-volt power adapter has become the least popular method to power a dashcam simply due to the fact that parking recording cannot be enabled. However, it is still an excellent option for customers looking into powering a dashcam only when the vehicle is on. Good. Hardwiring kit. Hardwiring kits provide power to your dashcam through an accessory fuse, constant fuse, and a grounding point within the vehicle's fuse box. Hardwiring kits are available for most of our dashcams and has become widely popular over the years. It provides power to your dashcam at all times until a preset voltage is reached. This is known as voltage cutoff and is absolutely necessary to avoid the vehicle not starting. We recommend the PowerMagic Pro for BlackVue dashcams and a direct hardwire kit for Thinkware dashcams. Better OBD hardwiring kit. OBD hardwiring kits will plug into your vehicle's OBD port and will not require tapping into any fuses. OBD hardwiring kits have recently been introduced by IROAD and BlackVue, and customers have shown a significant amount of interest as this does not require any wiring. This will be an excellent option for customers who want an easy installation. We recommend the PowerMagic EZ for BlackVue dashcams and the IROAD OBD cable for IROAD dashcams. Best battery pack. Dashcam battery packs are designed to be used inside vehicles in varying weather conditions. It offers extended parking recording for customers who are away from their vehicle for extended periods of time. Although a battery pack is the most expensive option to powering a dashcam, it offers the longest parking mode recording time, up to 45 hours on a one-channel dashcam, as well as protecting the health of your vehicle's battery. We recommend the Selling Meal to power all dashcams. Tips for buyers. Still unsure what to buy or simply want to do your own research to see which dashcam is the best fit for you? Check out our videos in the description below. Here are some questions to ask yourself. Do you want a front-only or front and rear dashcam? Do you want parking mode recording with buffer and motion impact detection? What video resolution are you looking for? What kind of form factor, with LCD screen or without? Do you require GPS? Do you require a smartphone Wi-Fi feature? One frequent question we receive from customers is how and or where a dashcam can be installed. If you decide to tackle this yourself, a dashcam installation is not overly difficult for the vast majority of vehicles, and we have numerous written and video guides on our website. We also provide installation tips and advice for our customers if you contact us via email or by phone. Please visit our website at BlackboxMyCar.com for US customers and BlackboxMyCar.ca for Canadian customers. Thank you for watching our video. We have so many dashcam options at BlackboxMyCar. Please come check us out on social media for the latest updates, contests, as well as upcoming dashcam news. Comment if you have any questions, and if you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up.